you want me to read it to you?
Yeah.
Okay. Have a happy birthday, Grandma and Grandpa Payne. Look at princesses.
Yeah.
You're on your instant messenger. We're having the party and we've invited you.
Okay, do you want to open up that present? This is the purple one.
Yeah?
Is that your favorite color?
It's mine too. It's mine.
Okay.
Oh good, that would be
Rip it
wonderful.
open.
Open.
Hey, Tate's tired of his cupcake already.
He's done.
You want some?
I don't know.
You don't know? What is it?
No.
It's,
The box? No. What is it?
we're opening Grandma Payne and Grandpa Payne's presents right now.
What?
Are you ready to get out?
Rectangle is a square. No.
Okay, rip it. There you go.
John.
Hot chocolate.
Yay!
It's your
Hot
favorite.
Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate.
Yay!
Okay, let's go open more. Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Oh my goodness, look at this.
Hot chocolate.
It's not just hot chocolate, look, it's pink hot chocolate.
Pink hot
Hot
chocolate.
chocolate.
Whoa!
I'm gonna open another box.
Okay, you want to open that one?
Oh, I see her opening it up.
What is it? What is it?
No, I don't know.
Let's see.
Can you share with me?
What? It's heart boxes.
Can you share with me?
Yeah, I bet she will. Let's see. Oh. What do you think's in there? We're gonna have to open it and find out.
I need help.
Oh, okay, hold on here. Do you want to open another present?
I'll open this present.
Okay, you open that one.
That's not mine either.
No, they're for Tyler because it's her birthday.
Yes, my birthday.
Let's take your shirt off. Oh, it's on your onesie too.
Hey, tired?
He's mad because we didn't get him out of the high chair fast enough.
I just washed this shirt. I really don't want to do it again after carrying him.
Well, come trade me.
I have to take the bowl off.
Do you need help? Do you know what? Here, look in there real quick.
Boy, what a messy boy.
What is it? It's
I don't
candy.
know.
Candy.
It's heart candies. Those are red hots.
Mine.
We'll have to make sugar cookies and then we can decorate them. Here, put those in there. Those are hot. Okay. It's on the bar.
Filled with red hot?
Yeah, one was filled with red hots. One was filled with conversation hearts. And look. Oh, get a bite of cupcake in there. Good job. And that's full of little candies.
She will eat.
Apparently she is. Did you want to share with Kenna?
Uh-huh.
Why don't you give her one too? That's really nice of you. Thanks, Tyler. Okay, here's the lid. You can save one for later. I don't know. Open it up.
There's one for Daddy. I can't.
There's one for Daddy? Oh, good. Give it to Dad. Okay, here you go, Tyler.
Thank you.
Here you go. Now pull it out.
I
Oh, yes, yes. I need a towel. Okay, Tyler. Look, one more. That doesn't absorb.
What is it?
Oh, so
Oh,
cute.
cupcake on the.
No,
Oh
it's
no! Don't wipe it off with that.
What is it?
Don't worry, we got this all on film for you.
What is it?
Okay, good.
It'll all be posted for you. I'll just send that link to you. Hey, look at your pretty new dress. Look. What do you say?
Thank you.
Oh,
Mom,
that's so